our subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see on your Facebook no internet connection, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing, first thing, just try to close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so just open cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the store, so you can also just try to update your Facebook app. So just go to App Store and just check available updates for your Facebook application, and if you also have it, just try to download and install. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.